An indoor garden in Terminal 3 here in Singapore Airport, inside the airport. Absolutely beautiful. We're currently in Terminal 3 here in Singapore, just showing these wonderful flowers up here. It's inside the Marrakesh coffee shop in the airport. Just wanted to show you this wonderful coloured ceiling. Absolutely beautiful. All the packets and jars of coffee in there.
United Airlines flight AU82 to San Francisco. Passengers please go to transfer E.
People queuing for the wonderful cakes. Martell selling their brandy. Nice and floral. Another wonderful coloured garden with these beautiful glass lamps right outside Louis Vuitton. It's very beautiful, very colourful. So many different species they have in their garden. I think I saw only about 5. Somebody's having breakfast. It's unreal to think that it's actually inside the airport.